The multidisciplinary studies of the histories, politics, and cultures of people of African origin has turned 50 years nationwide. To celebrate, Lehman's Department of Africana Studies held a panel discussion at Lovinger Theater, welcoming departmental staff, students, and alumni.
Today's event is about celebrating 50 years of Black studies across the nation. Black Studies has changed its name largely now to Africana Studies. Sometimes it's African American, sometimes it's Pan-African Studies, but essentially it's the study of people of African heritage globally.
Lehman's Africana Studies Department is in its 49th year. Founded in 1969, the growing department had 50 graduating majors and minors for 2018 in the 50th year of Lehman College.
The first chair was Professor William Crowell. I've been working with the library and the archives to get this information. So next year we're going to have a really good celebration to celebrate the 50th year of our particular department.
Today I think it's more important than ever, especially since we're on the 49th anniversary of the introduction of Black Studies into the mainstream curriculum as a major and, master's or PhD.
Two of the panelists are adjunct professors in the program. Through their extensive knowledge in Africana studies, they seek to connect their students to their roots.
Once you understand who you are and your contribution to civilization, world culture, you're ready to deal with just about anything.
The best thing for me is that it orients you in terms of ways to see the world and process information and understand how to apply some of the skills that you have in other courses to properly use them within the community.
The professors' messages rang true. Two Africana Studies students were also panelists. They shared their experiences with the audience and us.
The work it never stops. You're never going to stop learning about yourself, but it's a great grounding, and the confidence that you build from learning who you are, it's endless possibilities.
Follow my studies. I've been able to teach kids, give back to my community, and just learn what's going on and be able to motivate and uplift my community.
Lehman's Africana Studies is more than a department. It's an experience, offering students endless opportunities while appraising the past, examining the present, and seeking to shape the future, going on 50 years. Reporting for Bronxnet, Sanji Lopez.